As we know, inside Fusion 360 we can create design for manufacturing, and to create such designs we need multiple tools and techniques. That is why Autodesk has divided all the tools into multiple workspaces. And inside each workspace you can see there are different set of tools to perform different type of modeling or other processes. Now if I want to change the workspace, I will simply click on this option over here, and here you can see I can see 7 different kind of workspaces active into my Fusion 360. This can vary based on the license you are using. Right now I am using commercial license, so I can see these 7 different workspaces. If you are on hobby license or personal license, you will see less number or maybe different types of workspaces. Let's change the workspace and see what set of tools we are getting. I will change the workspace to render, and here you can see now all the tools just got updated, and all these tools are related to create rendering of your 3D model. Let's try some different workspace. Animation. Here you can see these all tools are related to create animation. Let's try some other workspace, that is manufacture. And here you can see under manufacture workspace again we got different set of tools available under each categories. Here you can see that. So in each set of workspaces you are getting different kind of tools and different kind of categories of tools available, and as per my experience most of the times you will be spending 90% of your time under this design workspace only, under this solid modeling tool space only. So when you are just getting started, don't overwhelm yourself with lots of knowledge, lots of workspaces. Simply start modeling inside design workspace under the solid modeling tool setup. Now we have clear idea about different workspaces. If you still have any question, just comment below.